First, new tonight, the Providence City Council has passed a resolution urging Governor Dan McKee to declare a state of emergency for homelessness. Thank you for joining us. I'm Shannon Heggie. 12 News reporter Alex Torres-Perez was at tonight's meeting and goes over what they hope to accomplish with this new resolution. Alex?
City councilors say not enough is being done to make sure that the homeless have a warm place to stay during this cold snap, which is why they're calling on the governor to declare a state of emergency, and they weren't alone.
You walk out of here, you probably will see somebody that doesn't have a place to go and is huddled up in the cold somewhere.
Which is why the city council chambers were packed Thursday night, as people are fed up with the red tape that's keeping shelters like Echo Village from opening and warming centers from taking more people in.
I'm hoping that our presence here will motivate somebody to do the right thing.
The restrictions forced Providence City councilors to open City Hall as an emergency shelter for a night and a 24/7 warming center at the Da Vinci Center. But with homelessness continuously on the rise, there's only so much they can do, which is why the council passed a resolution urging Governor Dan McKee to declare a state of emergency.
This resolution is a line in the sand. It's a refusal to accept the excuse that we're doing the best we can, when the best we can has been a chair in a cold room. Rhode Island can do better.
Councilman Miguel Sanchez says churches and shelters are on standby for that state of emergency to release capacity restrictions so they can meet the need. But Governor Dan McKee has continuously said an emergency declaration would not solve the problem and would actually create a safety issue, saying, quote, "I would be solving one problem by creating a new one. I'm not going to do that."
But by that logic, should we abandon any tool or measure that isn't a silver bullet?
Councilor Justin Royas argues the resolution will bring in more resources and prioritize the homelessness crisis.
If the governor won't act, then we will force his hand.
And if the governor won't listen,
I say this without hesitation, Madam President, Governor McKee should resign immediately.
The Providence City Council isn't alone in asking the governor for a state of emergency. Representative Teresa Tanzi also sent the governor a petition signed by 44 members of the General Assembly asking for the same thing. Reporting in Providence, I'm Alex Torres-Perez, 12 News.